What's good, you guys? It's your man Damien back here with another video. Thank you guys for joining me. I want you to go ahead, before we get started, we're gonna hit that subscribe button, like button, and we're gonna comment down below if we have any questions. All right. So as you can see already, I'm coming in hot. This video is about Lyft, of course. So as you see right here on my screen or whatever, I want you guys, if you don't drive for Lyft and you have a good car, this is the money like you could be making like in a week or whatever. I'm going to show you that later on in the video. But right here, like if you don't drive for Lyft, my link will be down below. Click my link and go to this right here, because if you click on this right here, this is how much I'm gonna be getting right here. The 750 bucks. You get what I'm saying? That right there, you see it. That's what I'll be getting. But you have to do your due diligence and complete 140 rides. Now you will really not make 2,200 like it says. But when they say 30 days, let me see. It says refer a driver in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. You'll get 750 once they complete 140 rides in their first 40 days. If they earn less than $2,200, you guys, less than $2,200, it can be little petty rides. By the way, this video is not sponsored by no means. You can receive little petty rides. Get them rides up. Go get to that 140. They will pay you out that 220. When they say they gonna make up the difference, we will. It don't say we will, but it say will. That's obviously we will make up the difference for them. So go ahead and click that link down below in the description area, and shoot, let's get to this money though. So as you guys can see, a zero right here. This is my screen right here. I got my streaks kind of already set up on the schedule and everything. Another few streaks will be coming out this Monday. I'm in the process of moving as well. Well, not moving, but I'm gonna say migrating, because Houston, I love Houston. I hate the streets, but I'm gonna have to come back to Houston. But I thank God and I thank the universe and the ancestors that I met, the people that I've met, because when I come back here, I can, have like decent connections or whatever. You get what I'm saying? And then not only that, I can still do things with these people from, a distance as well. So like I'm talking right now, I can use my voice. Some people actually like my voice or whatever. And, I might not feel fond of my voice, but I can say this, people like my voice. So I have to use it to the best of my ability. Let's click on the zero. And this is how much I made this week. So this is 84 rides right here. So by next week or whatever, let's say, okay, 80, this 160 or whatever. Okay, so they promised you guys that 2,200 like I was speaking about in the beginning. So this is 84 rides. As you see, I only did 50 hours this week, and this is all in 1 week. You can do this in like literally 2 weeks, if not less than that. Some people go hard in their different geographical areas, but me, I'm doing what, I feel like is best for me at the moment. And I'm going to go in another week. You get what I'm saying? Only week 2, I got to go in another week, y'all, because I got stuff to pay. I'm trying to get back on top of things and, kind of build my wealth and build my consistency, because I really wanted to start a business with Lyft, because I feel like, and I know that I am a good driver. I'm a great driver, as a matter of fact. As you see, $1,081, it can be done in a week. 7 days of working. Some days I make 200. The least I probably make in a day is probably like 100. That's if I'm really not feeling it that day. But I try to at least do 160. So this is what I got through with earlier this morning. So let me show you guys the breakdown. I think this is going to show you the weekly breakdown. So this is the time that I spent. Hold on, this is the booked time. So pretty much this is the time that I actually had people in the car, or me going to them, picking them up and dropping them off or whatever. This is the time booked, so less than 40 hours. Now you have to put in time, of course. This is the online time right here. Right here where it says online time to your left, top left, right here. 49 hours. That's how long I had the app on looking for rides. Now that's the downside about it, but still, as you guys can see, 84 rides. I am well over $1,000 right now, and about to put in some more work or whatever. Might possibly make $200 today, possibly. But I told myself at the end of the day, I don't want to make no less than $150. You get what I'm saying? So in a week time, let's calculate this all up. $150, at least $150, and I have to do at least 18 rides, if not 20. If not that, then 20 rides, and if not that, is like whichever comes first for me. At least 18 rides, and if not 18 rides, at least $150. It's just depending on how I feel my energy fluctuating. But as you guys can see here, 150 times, let's say 7 days a week, that's $1,050, right? So if you do 150 7 days a week, you can make literally $1,000 each, $1,000 each week or whatever. You can get you a little iPhone or whatever. You can really pay some bills with this stuff or whatever. But I recommend a car that's a newer model, a car that's really like, got low mileage, because this car right here, I'm gonna say it's going to go more towards using it more for a business or whatever. So 1,000 times 4, that's 4,200. Okay, let's take out minus 20%, 840. What did I say? 4,200 minus, let's do minus 1,000. Just because. No, we're just gonna leave it. Let's just do 900 minus 900. So that's 3,300, right? 3,300. $3,300 in your bank account. $3,300 in your pocket. That's pretty much untaxed money, but the only reason I took out 20% is just to get to that tax or whatever. You get what I'm saying? So, with that being said, I'm sorry, y'all, I had to turn the car on because it was getting hot up in here. I don't want to be like Nelly. I don't want to be taking off all my clothes in public and stuff. But yeah, I digress. So as you guys can see, there is money to be made. I probably could make more than this, but it just depends on your work ethic. Okay, so I'm trying to gain a stable grounds as far as at least making $150 a day. If I can make at least $150 a day, I can work, let's say, 5 days a week and just make the minimum or whatever. So we're gonna say 150 times 5 days, $750, right? Times 4, that's 3K. 3K in a month, you guys. So that's basically like you still get your 2 days off. You still get your free time. You don't got to listen to your naggy ass boss, boss you around on some bull crap or whatever. You get what I'm saying? You know what to do. Like, what's required of you. So this is what we're going to do. And they literally give you prompts like, okay, I want to go online. Best case, leave all 4 windows open. Next best case, open front right and rear left. This is like to keep down COVID, so to speak, or whatever. Or I'm going to say the Vaseline. I can't say certain words or whatever because I don't want to get flagged for anything. I'm not saying anything bad, but we're just going to leave that where it's at. Because I know that I'm on YouTube. I don't necessarily agree with the Vaseline. But it says wear your mask properly, even if vaccination. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. You see it right here on the screen. Okay, got it. But I don't want to go online right now because I might get an order. I'm going online at 1 o'clock. As you guys can see, my streaks start at 1 p.m. So that's the time that I'm going to start because I like to enjoy my mornings. I really like to enjoy my mornings. Or should I say my grand risings. I like to enjoy my risings. So me doing videos like this is a part of my rising. Me being in my notebook, that's actually right here in front of me. You guys can hear it more than see it, obviously. It's right in front of me. And, I did some ideas or whatever. And I'm actually going to make another video If you guys stuck around this long, go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. And as always, I really thank you guys for watching.